You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this novel. By the way, if you want to learn how to say the name of the author of this particular novel correctly, many get it wrong, stay tuned. I've got a video for you. Wuthering, alright, it's not Wuthering. Wuthering Heights, it's how you pronounce it. Wuthering, or the Americans say it as the American English pronunciation, Wuthering. Wuthering Heights or Wuthering Heights. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.